Greetings. I'm going to show you a quick way to do forecasting in the Capstone Courier. There are many factors influence forecasts. That is how much we're going to sell. And as you work your way through the simulation, you'll be able to kind of understand, a little bit more about the complexities in it and sort of make allowances for it. But for now, I'm just going to give you something to get the ball rolling and give you something to start with. So here you are at the front door of the company. We're interested in going to marketing at the moment, so go up to decisions, down there, and open up pricing and forecasting. You're familiar with a lot of these things that are happening here, and today we're going to be focusing only on the forecast area. And let's start with the product Able. Able is in the traditional segment. So let's see what we can do and go to the Courier and see what we can find there about that traditional segment. See if we can find if there's something last year that we may be able to use to help us forecast the demand this year. What we're seeing now is information on that particular segment, a lot of information, but this is what we're interested in here. Look at the total industry demand, 7853. They're millions, but we won't get tangled down in all the zeros. So the total industry demand last year was 7853. Let's put that into our calculator now. That's what was last year. Now what we've got down here is this year's segment growth rate. So how much it's going to grow by. The forecasters have said it's going to grow by 9.2% this year. So if we want to get a bit of an idea on what the total unit demand will be this year, we need to add 9.2% on to last year's figures. So let's go and do that. The way I do it is I go plus 9.2% equals, and there you go. 8575. That's the total unit demand for that particular segment. We're not going to get it all. There are, 4 other competitors, companies in there, and many other products. So we need to kind of figure out now what percentage of that do you think we could get. One way of being able to do that is to go and have a look back at the Courier again and see what we sold last year. We can see our products there. There's all the products that are selling into that segment. We can see we're Able here, and we sold last year, we had a market share of 8%. We sold 610 units. So there might be reasons why we think we could go to sell more this year or sell less, but let's just say for now, we sold 8% last year. Let's go and take 8% of the total demand. We're going to sell 8% again this year, so let's work out what 8% would be. The way I do that is I multiply that by 0.08 and push, and there we go, 686. That's what I'm anticipating to sell. That's my forecast now for the product Able for this year. So let's put it in and then recalculate. There you go. Let's do Acre while I'm here. The product Acre. Acre is in the low end segment. So we go up to reports, we go down to low end, and here we've got all the information on Acre. Acre sold 10.11.6. Let's go over here, get rid of that. 10.11.6, and then add it, because we're going to be adding something onto that shortly. The market's going to grow by 10.5%. Okay, so we're going to have to add 10.5% onto that. So again, the way I do that is 10.5% equals 1178. So again, that is the total demand this year in that particular segment, in the low end segment. Again, we're not going to get all of that. We need to figure out how much we're going to get. Well, how can we do it? Well, one way is if we go back to the Capstone Courier again and scroll down a little bit here and see what we sold last year. Last year we sold 16%. Right, let's just say we're going to sell 16% again this year. Go back up here, and again, the way I do it is I multiply that by 0.16, and that gives us 1788. Let's put it in here. 1788 and recalculate. That's it. And you need to go through now and do the rest for the other products that you've got. Thank you.